Alright guys, well, they finally announced that the cabins are ready, so I'm going to spin her around, show you some of the artwork, and then we'll let Miss Sheri take us in. So, you got a nice lady in like a bikini there, the guy.
Yeah, there's different artwork.
And then this
is how we're going to
This is our room number.
Our room.
Alright.
And then we'll always know our room by that.
Yep, and...
Okay, let's go and check it out. It's cool. Air conditioned.
Yeah, it is. Luckily, we were able to pre-drop off of our luggage. We had Faster the Fun, so they already brought it up to the room for us.
All right. Do you want to start the tour from the beginning?
Yeah, let's...
All right. From when you first walk in, it looks like how much closet space is there?
Oh,
wow.
wow, that's actually a pretty big
Usually
closet. Yeah, it's this
that
way.
But that way.
Life jackets.
Your life jackets. To know your muster station. We have a
look, there's our robes.
Oh, we got robes because we are in a spa room.
Yeah.
One of the thermal suites.
Yes.
So we get the robes.
With the Velociraptor pool. Isn't that what it's called?
Oh, and?
Oh, and we got the slippies. The slippers.
The house shoes, whatever you want to call them.
All right.
So there's the shelf up top, and what's this one? Oh.
Wow, lots more storage. Oh, hey!
And a full mirror.
Yep, and there's a full mirror, and then you have a bunch of shelving.
And it looks like you can hang some.
If you wanted to, you could probably move. Yeah, so you can flip this up.
There you go.
And it will stay.
It'll stay.
It'll stay. You just
there you go.
You gotta turn
that.
that.
It's not magnetic. It's like the.
There, like that.
That'll work.
And then it holds it, so you can go all the way down with it, and it'd just be a hanging closet if you wanted to.
There's another closet right there.
Yeah, so you'd have two different hanging spots.
Or it might remove. See, no, it won't. Okay. So let's just stay on the same side.
Okay.
Should be a safe.
Yep. There's the safe.
And let's see what else.
The fridge.
Let's see if it's cool. Which? Okay. Oh, yeah, it's cool. You get some waters and stuff in there. Okay, I'm opening that again. Okay. Oh, and with this room, you get the Serenity deck towels because you're in a spa room.
Yes.
There we go. TV. Okay, let's see the restroom. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. Watch a step.
Wow.
Watch a step. Because you don't want to trip.
Yeah, you don't want to trip. It even tells you right there on the thing. It says, "Look, watch your step."
We like the artwork. It's all the same style up here. I don't know if the whole ship is like that. Cool. Probably just the.
I like it.
And they have Elemis upgraded shower gels and shampoo conditioners and soap.
Yep. And then you got your mirror.
So yeah, that's really good. And what about the switches?
Okay, so these switches.
You have to hit the switch over there first.
That one turns it off here, and then that one turns it on there.
And then you've got some mirror.
Hit your switch for your mirrors right here, huh? Oh wait, that's that one.
Is this the switch? We've got one. Oh no.
These should.
Single plug.
These should light up, or these should light up.
We have one single plug.
Yep.
Are you?
That's all we got.
No, check the bathroom. Because one plug. Wow.
Yep, no pluggy in the bathroom either.
The drawers they're good. You get 4 drawers. The top one has a hairdryer.
Yeah, you got plenty of storage, but no electrical.
One plug and one European plug. Nothing on the lamp. Oh, what is this? That's the main switch.
Yeah,
right?
that's the.
Okay. Where is this lamp plug?
Behind the bed, probably.
We'll have to check it out. I want to know what this light.
Okay, so I just turned that one on, didn't I? You know what this is? Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah, you have a little night light, so it's not in your face.
Hey, look, there you go. Look.
What? What is it? Oh, sweet. Let's see.
So yeah, those lights come on too now.
Because.
Okay. Well, that's enough of the room tour. I don't need you to. She's trying to figure out where to plug stuff in at because
one plug.
Luckily, we brought about 50,000 power banks. But all right, we'll see y'all a little later, guys.
Hey y'all, we've discovered that the room is a bit small for an 8-day cruise, and you need extra hanging hooks. Magnetic hooks really help a lot if you're on a longer cruise. So what they provide is 2 right here. That's one of our magnetic hanging hooks. The ceiling in the room on the Dream is magnetic. We have some over here. They're really cheap. You can find them on Amazon. If you want to know, just comment and we'll let you know where we got them from. And they provide a couple of big hooks as well. We like those, and this is one of our magnetic.
But don't forget to let them know how quick something will fall off of that, because I know we had a towel hanging up there and it kept falling off.
Yeah,
Like,
the towels were pretty clumsy.
Yeah.
And in the shower, this thing right here, it's in here. You pull it across, and then you hook it on over here. That helps drip dry the stuff over the shower. These are not magnetic. Well, at least they're not for us.
So you took a shower, right?
I took a shower. We finally figured out the shower, scalding hot. JB asked the room steward, how do you get cooler water? And he said, what, to turn it on
and just let it run for a little while, and then it worked.
And so you don't have to burn yourself. We were going to the spa for showers. They're kind of similar. Oh, and using a breathing machine now and then for my allergies. And since there's only the one plug, we asked for an extension cord, and he quickly provided it day 1. All right.
There's the extension cord for your breathing treatment.
All right, y'all.